Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add an audio song to PowerPoint step by step. I'll be showing you this on Windows. First, open your presentation and click on the slide where you want the music to start. You can use any slide, not just the first one. Click the slide thumbnail in the left sidebar and it'll appear in the main editing area. Next, click the Insert tab at the top of the ribbon. It's typically the second tab from the left. Now, on the far right side of the Insert tab, click Audio. A drop-down menu will appear with your audio insertion options. From that drop-down, select Audio on My PC. This will open the Insert Audio dialog box, your standard Windows File Explorer. Browse through your folders to find the audio file you want to add. MP3 or WAV files work best. Click on the file to select it. Once you've selected your file, click the Insert button in the bottom right corner of that dialog box. You'll see a speaker icon appear on your slide with playback controls beneath it. You can drag that speaker icon anywhere you want on the slide. If you're planning to use multiple audio files across different slides, keep the icon in the same spot each time so it's easy to find. Now, click on the audio icon to select it, then click the playback tab that appears at the top of the ribbon. This is where you'll configure how the audio behaves during your presentation. In the playback tab, find the Start drop-down menu, click it, and you'll see two main options: automatically or when clicked on. If you choose automatically, the audio will play as soon as you advance to that slide during your slideshow. If you choose when clicked on, you'll need to click the speaker icon during the presentation to start the music. To test that everything's working, click the play button. It's the triangle icon underneath the speaker icon on your slide. You should hear your audio file play. You can also test it in slideshow mode by clicking the slideshow tab and selecting from beginning. If you want the audio to play across multiple slides, select the audio icon, go to the playback tab, and click play in background. That'll make it start automatically and continue playing through your presentation. You can also click hide during show if you don't want the speaker icon visible during the slideshow. Just make sure the audio is set to play automatically first, otherwise nobody will be able to start it. And if you need to adjust the volume, there's a volume drop down in the playback tab. Thanks for watching.